Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'll be showcasing my trading strategy. It's called the Asian-London Breakout strategy. So what you do here, you look for the candlestick that opened the Asian session and you mark the high of that candlestick. Once you've done that, you look for the candlestick that closed the Asian session and you mark the low of that candlestick. Based on your time zone and your trading region, my time might differ from yours. My Asian session starts at 1 a.m. and closes at 9 a.m. Once you have marked that zone, you wait for the market to break either above or below the zone. When it breaks above the zone, you look for buy opportunities. When it breaks below the zone, you look for sell opportunities. One important aspect to always consider and remember is once the market breaks above your zone, wait to see if there will be a retracement before entering the trade. If it also breaks below the zone, wait and see if there will be a retracement before you execute your zone. This is just to ensure that you don't enter at the point of fake breakout and then the market reverses and hit your stop loss and then proceeds to your direction. So you wait and see if there will be a small retracement is when you enter. In this particular case, you can see the market is consolidating in this zone. We have like around 4 candlesticks in the 5 minutes time frame that have broken above our zone fully. So at that particular time, I checked the direction of the market and the market was bullish. So that gave me a confirmation that the market is buying. So at this particular point, I got my confirmation and I proceeded with marking my zones and getting my entry point. As usual, I usually put my stop loss 200 pips away from the entry zone. In this particular case, my stop loss was at 40.45 and my risk to reward ratio is 1 to 1.5, bringing my TP at 14.95. So here I am at my MT5 placing the trades, my buy positions, and I'm only placing 2 trades of 0.6 lot each. Remember, this is our day 2 of participating in the prop farm demo competition. And as I mentioned, I'll be showing the strategy, I'll be showing the results. The goal is to survive with my strategy for this duration, which will be 14 days and not 30 days as I mentioned in the previous video. The prop farm changed their competition duration from 30 days to 14 days beginning of this month. So I'll be showcasing everything. And remember, the laws of the prop farm also applies to this demo competition, where they have a maximum daily drawdown amount of $5,000 that you should not exceed, and a total drawdown amount of $10,000. So the goal is also not to blow this account. So you have to apply proper risk management and stick to your strategy. So guys, at this particular point, the market retraced back. It almost hit our stop loss. It survived by around 6 pips. So this is the reason why I usually use a stop loss of 200 pips away from my entry zone to give the market ample zone to play around before hitting my stop loss and then going to my direction. So I'll encourage you guys to use reasonable stop loss, not too short, not too big, just to ensure that you're safe. So guys, we finally hit our TP after holding this trade for nearly 9 hours. So it was a successful day. Today is our day 2 of participating in this Pro-Farm challenge, and so far so good. As you can see, here is the history of the ledger, the account since we started, and I will be displaying this every day to track this record with you, share my strategy. Also, you guys can share your inputs in the comment section, ideas, how we can improve our trading journey, and yeah, the goal is for us to win together. Thank you, and see you on the next meeting.